So this is Waterloo in September 2017. Been following this. I'm on a different camera now, so it probably looks and sounds different, but that's what it looks like now. The indicator boards are off, and it looks like there's some work being done on the bridge. But the downstairs undercroft looks much bigger now and open with those pillars. And all the barriers that were up during the blockade are now covered with dust sheets, so it looks like they're doing some work on the actual platforms themselves. So it's a bit quieter here today. That's how it looks.